Hello students, these are the next four exercises from chapter number 7 diphthongs and consonant H. Exercise number 20, 21, 22 and 23. Let's start with exercise number 20. Be ready. Start. Would you like to go to America with me in July? I know you will thoroughly enjoy the tour if you can come with me. I am going with a jolly party of 4 or 5, and we are making a tour which will take a month. We are leaving on the SS Canada on the 5th of July, and we are due to arrive in America on the 10th. We can get a cheap rate for the voyage if we share a room on the boat. Write to me in a day or two and say you will come. Next is exercise number 21. Be ready. Start. Do you think you will be rich enough to retire when you reach the age of 50? You will be rich if you can retire with enough money to live on. We can show you how you can buy a life annuity for a low outlay now. How would your family fare if you should die now? Can you leave enough for them to live on? We are now issuing a new life policy which will make it easy for you to do what you would wish. You can take out the policy for a low charge. We know you will like it. Would you like to see it? If so, write your date of birth below and mail the form today. Next is exercise number 22. Be ready. Start. I have many a happy memory of the time of my youth on the farm. I saw the buyer for a minute at the hotel, but he had to hurry away. Usually, we ship the oil to you by boat, but if you are in a hurry, it can go by road. Write and ask them if they charge a higher rate for heavy oil. They hope to have the bill of lading in the mail today. I know Hugh Riley, and I think he will reach a high rank in the army. We hope you will enjoy the voyage, and we hope to see you when you get back. Next is exercise number 23. Be ready. Start. I should like the head of your firm to see our huge new factory, and if he will come, I will fetch him in my car. If he can do so, I should like him to have lunch with me at the Park Avenue Hotel. I hope he will come to see it, for I think it will appeal to him. I shall be happy to see him and you, if you can come too. I hope you will come with him. So these are the 4 exercises from chapter number 7. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.